Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me, Queen Elizabeth, once again come up with another exciting project. Before going to start the review of my amazing project, I will request you, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos. Today, guys, I have another very exciting project, which is Toctic Boom. In this video, I will describe you about their tokenomics, about the white paper, about the token, how you can buy this token, and also their pre-sale, and also their social accounts like Telegram, Twitter. Each and everything is available in this video. And also I will provide you the the website official links in my video description, so don't miss any part of the video. Now we start this amazing project, Toctic Boom. As you can see, you can quickly buy their token. Before you can buy the token, the price raised within hours and minutes and seconds, so don't waste the chance. You can pay with any wallet like Ethereum, Binance, USDT, each and everything. You can easily, yes, by the select. And also you can see that one Toctic Bomb is equal to 1 USD, and also their memcoin quantity and amount in USDT. And also you can easily, guys, buy this amazing token. Buy now. You can click the buy now, which is available on the home page, and their token detail is on the screen. As you can see, their Toctic Bomb meme is a meme coin built on the base in Solana, meaning you automatically gain more flexibility with your token, and you use what you already have. You can simply put the amount and add to the cart, and when you are on the cart page, you can check it out further procedure and further amazing protocol of this amazing token. You can easily buy, and you can see their product price and quantity, subtitle, each and everything is available, so you can easily check it out, and you can easily buy their token, which is very amazing and very interesting. You can, and very profitable. You can gain profit and very massive income you can generate from it, so don't miss the chance. Now we are going to the main page of the Toctic Boom. As you can see, this is how you can buy their token. And now we discuss about their, yes, about the pre-sale, when it started, and how you can connect their wallet on the pre-sale. As you can see, their pre-sale start in this time, and also you can easily connect your wallet. By connecting your wallet, you can select any wallet which you want to, MetaMask, Phantom, Solfair, which you want to connect the wallet. You can connect wallet, and you can buy the token. Very easy procedure. As you can see, their pre-sale about TikTok Bomb is a meme coin that inspired by will they won't they drama between USA and China over the TikTok forced sale. As you, and this pink sale, as you can see, each and every information about this amazing project, like their address, their name, their, which is their Toctic Bomb, and their symbol, which is Toctic B, and also their decimals, which are fives, and also their manual listing, address, token for pre-sale, soft cap, hard cap, pre-sale rate, start time, end time, and unsold token, and also their liquidity percentage. Each and everything is available on their pre-sale launch here, so you guys don't miss any part of the video. And also you can get their token and buy their token very easily. Now we discuss about what is this amazing Toctic Bomb. Our Toctic Bomb just got more rewarding with the NFT and game FI application to compose pre-sale. Prepare for the ultimate upgrade to the Chinese special media head stake TikTok Toctic Boom after the pre-sale to start earning the eco-friendly reward. And also you can check it out, their white paper. As I click on the white paper, and their amazing white paper is available on my screen. As you can see, in this white paper, you can easily get to know what is Toctic Bomb. Their each and everything, their briefly detail is available on their white paper. What is Toctic Bomb and why it is important, each and everything is available on their amazing white paper. What is Toctic Bomb, as you can see, and why Toctic Bomb, as in Toctic Bomb stand out with the unique its feature designed to offer both utility and also investment opportunities here. What makes it its expansion, like it have a dual chain operation, and also they have the eco-friendly, their fixed supply. Each and everything is available on their amazing white paper, and also their token mnemonics is available on their website. And also they have exciting upcoming features, like they have the staking, how it works, and also they have the minute NFTs, marketplace trading, showcase collections, and earning royalties. And also they have the game FI, and also their roadmap is available, and their pre-sale and launch, and also their official link are available on their white paper. This is very amazing opportunity. Now we are going to discuss about the goodbye staking. Utilizing smart contract powered by the Base or Solana, Toctic Bomb is much more than a meme coin. Bring passive earnings potential to the community. Harness the power of your Toctic Bomb tokens by staking and earning rewards, making your token work for you, and you can buy now, and also you can buy on the Sol, guys. This is the very convenient wallet. How it is convenient wallet? As you can see, there is no need to worry about the complicated wallets and custody of your tokens. Toctic Booms is a build on base in Solana, meaning you automatically gain more flexibility with your token, and also the multi-chain from the go, buy now and buy on the Sol. No more inflation. Many meme tokens such as Dogecoin and has been limited. Dogecoin has been limited in its potential future worth because it has an infinite supply, but they will always emit more tokens into the market. And Toctic Bomb fixes his with a fixed supply, allowing for unhindered upwards pressure on the token price. Buy now. This is very amazing. And also you can see their features, which in the features you can check it out to the Coindex, the Bitcoinistic new BTCB in the crypto, and also Coin Telegraph, and also crypto news. Each and everything is available on this amazing website. And now we discuss about the roadmaps, their future developments and their past developments and their plannings in the future. And also for the past, they have their ultimate and very interesting plannings. Like they have their first phase, they have their pre-sale and marketing, and also you get to know about their early staking incentive, and also you can know about their pre-sale token claiming, and also their DEX launch on the Uniswap, and also low allocated liquidity provision and their long-term passive rewards. This is very amazing, and they have in future they are developed, and they make more strategies and more plannings and get more success. Now we discuss about the main thing, which is their tokenomics. As you can see, their tokenomics are made from the sustainable gains. Like they have the 50% of their supply sold in the pre-sale, 30% are located in the marketing, 25% for the project treasury, and 15% used for the staking rewards, and 15% for the exchange liquidity. As you can see, the most important thing, 110T. And also you can see the 15% pre-sale, 30% marketing, 25% treasury, and 15% staking, and 15% liquidity. And also you can easily check it out there. So by the Toctic Bone token address, which is on the base and also on the Sol. As you can see their base, and also you can see their token address on the Sol. This is available on, and I will show you on the screen, so you can easily get it and you can easily buy this amazing token. And also you have the facility to frequently ask question, like you want to know how is Toctic different. This is the I frequently asked question, which you can take your answer. And also how will Toctic go do staking, and also does Toctic have other features, and what are the tokenomics, and how do I find technical support. Each and everything is available on this amazing website project. Now we discuss about how you can get to know for the future upcoming updates about this amazing project. The Toctic have also their Twitter accounts, which you can easily follow. By following their Twitter accounts, you can check it out, their further upcoming amazing updates. And also you can see that they have massive following, and also their lovely and amazing and very interesting posters, their replies, their comments. Each and everything is available on their Twitter account. And also you can join their Telegram community. By joining their Twitter community and also their Telegram community, you get to know about this amazing project, and are there further upcoming amazing projects. So stay with this amazing project and buy this amazing token so that you get profit. This is all about my amazing project, which is Toctic Bomb. Each and everything I will describe to you. Hope you enjoy it and hope you get benefit from it. If you like this video, please share your friends and family so they get also benefit from it. This is all about my Toctic Boom. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye. Take care.